Coming to the next topic, that is designation of a curve. Usually, how in a circle curve is designated? Designated is nothing but how it is going to identify with itself. A curve is designated either with the help of radius or degree of the curve. If you consider this as a circle, this portion which is known as arc of the circle, where this portion is known as chord of the circle. So here, if you consider this circle with this point as center point of the circle, whatever the angle that is made by either arc of the circle or chord of the circle, that angle is itself nothing but it is known as DOC. DOC is nothing but degree of the curve. So coming to the next topic, that is relationship between radius and degree of curve. So if you consider the entire circle, let us take a small portion of that circle with chord and a arc with its center point. This is what this portion has been extended and it has been written, where AB is the length of the chord and this R is radius of the curve, that is OA, and OB, that is the radius of the curve, where the D is the degree of the curve, that is the angle between AO and B, and C is here midpoint of the chord AB. This point C is the midpoint of the chord AB. So here let us take the length of the chord AB as 30 meters, where OA and OB is nothing but it is known as radius of the curve. So here angle AOC and angle BOC, that is equal to D by 2. What do you mean by here D by 2? That is, since the entire angle AOB is D, that is the degree of the curve, when you take half of the true angle, that is AOC and BOC, that becomes equals to your half of the degree of